This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Vernon Powell.
I've been a student of the game, studying Vernon Powell's brand name apparel, shoes, and accessories for everyone on your list this holiday season. It's been weeks since Joe Wright and I faced off in a shopping competition that ended in a tie, and Joe finally reached out to me with an offer I couldn't refuse. I stepped out of the car with one thing in mind: to come home a winner. Hey, Joe.
James.
Joe, just the man I was looking for.
Hello, James.
Hello, Joe.
Yeah.
How are we?
Thanks for coming.
Of course, thanks for the invite.
You know, it didn't sit well last time that we tied in our little competition.
No, it's been a lot of sleepless nights, Joe.
Yeah, we need to do this again.
And I need to get back to some full rest. So, what's the competition
So
here?
here's the deal. We got all our Black Friday deals going on.
Okay.
Who can find the best deals?
Oh, I love
Simple
that.
as that.
And you guys have so much on sale, so this is going to be easy, I think,
A lot
for
of
both
great
of
deals.
us.
It should be.
All right. May the best man win, Joe. Let's do this.
Good luck.
Good luck.
This is a better Hey Dude deal. Oh, this guy's $100 off. $100 off. How did he miss this?
All right, Joe, I'm coming in hot, and so are some of your deals here at Vernon Powell.
Oh man, we got a lot of great deals. What'd you find?
All right, I guess we should start off with the flannel here. All right, I've learned some of the brand names now. All right, I'm a student of the game now, Joe. This is the Prana, so it's a flannel and it's also a jacket.
I like the way you layered it.
Yes.
I actually did the same thing. I took Columbia, I took a flannel.
Okay.
This is for ladies with a little vest.
Looks good.
20% off.
Man, you have an eye for color, Joe. I gotta say.
That's a tie.
It is a
right,
tie.
yeah,
all right. What's next?
Well, you know, what about these handbags? Did you pick a handbag?
Yeah. So this is the hobo handbag. This is 20% off. This coral blue, ocean blue, great for beach time and great all year round too, Joe.
That's not bad. That's not a bad deal. It's 20% off.
100%.
This doorbuster from Vera Bradley.
You guys have doorbusters?
We do have some more doorbusters. $75. Now it's $30.
Man,
I think I might have won on that one.
not looking too good. I need my rally cap here.
Tell me
Joe.
about what'd you pick here from Swig?
Yeah, so this is the Christmas swig bottle here. I mean, I'm thinking the holidays. You have the family over, maybe a little glass of wine in here, some Christmas wine.
I like it.
20%
off.
Keeps your beverages nice and cold, and this is an awesome design. You can drink from all year round. 20% off, Joe.
I went with jewelry.
Okay.
So E. Newton, buy one get one 30% off, or Kendra Scott, buy one get one 30% off.
That's a good deal.
It's a good deal. But
Which one's the better deal,
I actually
Joe?
think you got a little bit better deal there, maybe.
Yes.
All right. I don't like that.
What's next? What's next?
What about footwear? What'd you do there?
All
Hey
right,
Dudes?
footwear. Yeah. Yes, we got the Hey Dudes here. All right. I don't know what color this is, but
Yeah, I like
it's
it.
like a nice sandy beach color. 20% off, Joe.
Well, I did Hey Dudes too, but I went to the value corner and
You guys have a value?
We do.
You guys have a value?
Yeah, it's basically a sale room, and all the shoes in there are 50% off right now. So these Hey Dudes are actually 50% off.
All right. Well, Joe, I got to redeem myself here. All right. I'm extra tough, right?
Yep.
And what better way to match that than with extra tough?
Yeah,
Right?
20% off.
20% off. Yeah. These are
James, I'm
nice
sorry.
boots.
I found one that was actually a little more than 20% off. It's a discontinued color.
And it is an
but
extra
yeah,
tough.
yeah, it is. Sorry. You know,
All right, all right.
But what else? Come on. What else you find?
All right. Well, I got to tell you about this. All right.
Okay,
I'm
all
proud of this one. I'm really proud of this one. All right. This was $245, now down to $169.
That's like over 30% off.
Over
That is
30%
a good deal.
off, yes.
Listen, I think you got me beat there. Hoka is typically not part of our Black Friday
That's what
deal.
I thought. I thought they're not typically on sale.
But the Bondi 8 is being discontinued. We got a new one coming out in January, so this one's 20% off
Oh
right now.
man, oh man.
So,
all right,
but
all right.
your deal's better.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
This is close here, Joe.
Yeah,
What's next here? What do we
this
got?
is down the wire. Did you do apparel? Any more apparel?
I did do apparel. All right, I'm saving the best for last. Can I get like a little drum roll here, Joe?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I can't do that.
Okay, all right, that's okay. This is the Carhartt sweatshirt. This is nice. Love this
All
material.
the Carhartt's 20% off.
20% off, yeah, and can't go wrong with the classic gray here.
The last item I found was a little more than 20% off.
That looks a little pricey, Joe.
This
I
is
think
a Patagonia jacket. Found it in sale room again.
Ah.
You know, so it's limited sizes, but this one's over $100 off.
Oh my gosh!
It's a valiant effort.
Making me drop the the stuff here.
I'm sorry.
You know,
But you did great.
Thank you, Joe.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. You know, you did great. You did great. I'm proud of you. Proud of you, Joe.
It was a good competition.
This was fun. This
Yeah.
was fun. We had a lot of fun, and I'm glad I just even tied you the first time. I'm honored to even tie you the first
It's
time.
not fair. It's just not fair.
Even though I lost the competition, I still came home a winner. That's because Vernon Powell's Black Friday deals extend through Cyber Monday.